Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you are clearly seeing in this video tutorial, we are experts in Falk gearbox repair. All technicians here are specifically trained on setting bearing preloads and bearing floats for all types of gearboxes from many types of industries, such as oil and gas, food and beverage, chemical, corrugating, pulp and paper, construction metals, and rubber and plastics. If you need necessary inner components such as gearing like helical or spiral bevel, we have a very large inventory of all inner components stored here at our facility for all 911 rush repair needs. Once the gearboxes are rebuilt and once new bearings are installed, we then set the proper bearing preloads and bearing floats. All technicians here are Timken bearing certified. Our bearings are applied on with liquid nitrogen and a bearing induction oven, and gravity does the rest. Please rest assured, National Gear provides free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. Thank you again for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.